So I'm filming the drop test right now, and we have some guests. We have some wild turkeys from the city of Albany, California, as you can see. Hey, you guys, you wanna help me film the drop test right now? You're more than welcome to assist. This will be a drop test between the iPhone XS Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So let's just get started right now. Don't have a lot of time, trying to do this video in a pinch, so let's just go with it right now. So I'm gonna do 3 or 4 drops. I'm gonna try to simulate a real life situation. First drop will be you're taking your phone out of your pocket, which everybody does, and something happens, you mishandle your phone and you drop the phone. Okay, so I'll do that right now. Actually, let's look at this phone real quick. No damage on it whatsoever, so you can see the silver iPhone XS Max. I call it the extra small Max. Silver colorway, it looks white though. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, that looked like a backdrop. So I'm really kind of scared to flip this phone around right now. And you know, the iPhone X, the iPhone XS Max, they have a huge camera hump in the back. So I don't know if I'd want to see this right now, but I'm gonna flip the phone over to kind of see. Wow, I am seeing no damage whatsoever. Did I just, oh, okay, I take that back. Just a little bit of damage here on the top left next to the camera lens. Not on the camera lens, but right there where my thumb is. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Let me see that right there. Yeah, each corner looks good. Oh, there's a scuff mark on the bottom right corner here. Oh boy. All right, so now I'm gonna put this to the side for now. I'm gonna do the same drop on the Galaxy Note 9. So you can see, this phone's also in perfectly working order. So I'm just gonna do the same drop, take it out of my pocket and just drop the phone. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that hit the corner. Okay, that hit the corner and the S Pen almost popped out, so you can see. So let's check the damage right now. Ooh, see that damage right there in the corner, right next to the S Pen. And okay, a little bit of damage on top of the device, as you can see above the camera, or on the top part of the phone on the back where my thumb is right now. Let's see, I'm looking at the phone. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The front looks good. Not seeing any damage to the front. All right, drop number 2. What I'm gonna do right now is put this to the side and I'm gonna take the iPhone again. Now this drop is gonna be, you're using your phone kind of like pocket level height. You're using the phone just like this. You're texting someone or you're looking at your IG photos, whatever, right? Something happens, you mishandle the phone and you just drop it doing this. So I'm gonna do that right now. 3, 2, 1. Whoops. Ooh. So let's see what kind of damage that inflicted. Okay, the front looks good. Not seeing any damage to the front. The back, you know what? I'm not really seeing anything new. Okay, a little bit of a scuff mark here on the camera. Right there where my thumb is, right there, a little bit of damage there. Nothing too crazy though. Let's see, in the corner here, where my thumb is right there, a little bit of like a scuff mark on the bottom. Little tiny scuff marks on the bottom of the device, nothing too crazy though. Overall, still in pretty good condition. Not mint, but you know, fair, I guess, at this point, I'd say. Screen is perfect. Let me check the screen actually. Screen is 100%. No issues with the display. All right. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the Galaxy Note 9 and do the same thing. Using your phone like this, something happens, you drop your phone from this height. So I'm gonna do that right now. In 3, 2, 1. And looking at the phone, okay, you have some marks here on the bottom right corner next to the S Pen. Ooh. Oh man, there's some marks here on the top left corner, right where the display curves and where the glass meets the frame. Oh, not looking too good on the Note. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, a little bit of damage here on the top right. Nothing too bad there though. And Damage on this corner as well. So all 4 corners are slightly compromised. Okay. In the back, what am I seeing here? Okay, that's previous damage. Okay. Some new scuff marks here on the frame of the device. As you can see where my thumb is, but that's barely noticeable. Nobody's gonna see that really. Scuff marks here on the frame, on the top part of the device here where my thumb is. Take a look at that if you want. Bottom looks good. Top, no damage. All right, but overall I think these phones are doing well. Let me test out the screen. And the screen is, why is the brightness low on this? Jack up the brightness all the way. And screen still works. Yeah, no issues with the screen. All right, so take the iPhone now, again. And what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna be a drop from head level. So you're using your phone, you're taking a picture or something, IG stories, whatever at this height. And then something happens, you mishandle the phone and you drop it from this height. So I'm just gonna do that right now. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Now that didn't sound too good. Oh man, that didn't sound, I think that was a corner drop too. It's just that thump. Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Okay, so picking up the phone. Oh! So there's a crack. This is probably where it landed. I don't know, I'm gonna have to see the slow-mo, but this is where it landed, I'd say, in this corner next to the camera. Check that out. Very nice. The back glass, there's a crack right there, almost running next to the camera. And then, but the rest of the back of the phone looks pretty good actually. Not seeing anything new. I think that's all previous damage. And then the front, okay, a little bit of damage on the corner, on the bottom left, display. And yeah, display still works 100%. No issues with the display. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the Galaxy Note 9 and see how well it can take this kind of drop. So this is about head level height. I'm about 6 feet tall for reference. You're using a phone like this, taking a picture or IG stories. Something happens, you mishandle the phone and you just drop it. So I'm gonna do that right now. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. That was an even louder sound. Okay, do I really want to see this right now? I don't even know. And I think the display is cracked because I can feel it with my fingers. So do I really want to flip this phone over? Well, let's just, we have to do it. Oh, check that out. Oh man. Look at that display. Whew. I don't think I need to explain with words. You just take a look for yourself, the damage. Now, will this display still turn on? The display still works, but there's a crack now, so. Yeah, you know, I mean, you should always have your phone in a case and screen protector because you never know what's gonna happen to your phone. It only needs to happen once. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this drop test between the iPhone XS Max and the Galaxy Note 9. Thanks for watching. Peace out.